Hi, it's CreativeSarah here. You guys, we're going to use the Come In and Hang Out transfer set. Now, this is a big set. It has 4 different transfers with it. I'm just using one portion. I have these wood cutouts. They are on sale right now in the Creative Woodcut shop on Etsy. I put the link right in the description for you guys. I'm painting them with some of our black chalk paste. Super easy. I'll make sure it's dry. And then we'll give it a good waxing before we do any chalking on it. I love to use black, you guys, because it's so cool. It makes the colors pop like you wouldn't believe. And sometimes you just need those colors to pop. So when in doubt, put black on the background. OMG, you're gonna love it. Just going ahead and getting my transfer ready. I do put those black cutouts on a white piece of paper because I can see through better. I can see that transfer through the sheet already. Now, you guys, look at these vibrant colors I'm going to use. Oh my gosh. I am super excited. This is going to go out by my deck. I think the colors are gorgeous for outside. For summer, it's going to be amazing. And these are some of my very favorite summer colors. They are so adorable. So I'm kind of just doing, you know, every other one, a different color, going down the row, using my multi-tool. And then, oh, look how cute, you guys. Oh, I just love these colors together. All right, so now we're gonna do the arrow. We're just gonna go ahead and do that in one color. You don't need to stress yourself and try to do it in multiple colors. It's gonna look awesome the way it is. In my favorite, love that Couture teal color, yes. All right, so now these have to get dried and we're gonna assemble it. So basically, I thought that this little box frame needed a little bit of detail. So I painted the edge, just the edge, with some of our black. We'll get that dry and we'll assemble this. I am gonna use the 2 glue method, you guys. So I really want this to hold well. And the best way to do that is to use a long set glue that needs time to dry. Mine is Gorilla Glue. And then some quick set glue like hot glue. Again, mine is Gorilla Glue. So that's what I did. I put 2 glues on there so that it'll quickly set and then it'll hold. Oh, you guys, look how cute. Follow me for more ideas and inspiration.